Do you need to change the rotors on your 2007 Chevy Impala? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely do that. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick. So let's fix it. Using a 19mm, we're going to loosen the lug nuts just a quarter of a turn. That way when the car's off the ground, it'll be much safer to loosen them and take the tire off. Using a floor jack, go ahead and safely lift the car up from the frame. Next, we'll move some leveling blocks or a jack stand under the frame of the car, just in case something happens to the floor jack and the car comes down. This will keep it nice and secure. Next, take your 19mm socket and loosen the rest of the lug nut. Keeping your body away from the vehicle, put your hands on the side of the tire and then remove it. Next, we need to remove the caliper, which applies the brake power, slowing down your rotor, bringing your wheel to a stop. The bolt for that is right here. Using a 15mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen it. You just want to loosen the top and then remove the bottom bolt. So you can see the bottom bolt right here. Let's go ahead and remove that bolt. So you can see how leaving the top bolt in, take both of them out, it will just fall right off. Next, keep one hand on the caliper and then remove the top bolt. Now that we have our rotor right in front of us, all we have to do is slip it right off. Take our brand new beautiful one and put it right on there. Put our caliper right back in place. Keeping it somewhat loose so we can fit the other bolt in. Locate the hole for the bottom and then put that back in. Once you get both of them started by hand, then we can use the 15mm and then tighten it up. Now let's just tighten them up a little bit and then we'll lower the car down. When we remove the jacks and lower the car, then we'll tighten them down even more so that it's safe to drive on the road. Let's go ahead and grab our leveling block. Now let's go ahead and lower the floor jack. Taking that 19mm, let's go ahead, tighten this down. Not over tightening, but just enough. Alright guys, congratulations, you just learned how to change out a rotor on your 2007 Chevy Impala. If you found that this video was helpful, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.